Okay, this is my Pegasus II that is running right here. It is a G3 600 megahertz. I have amiga OS 4.1 official that will be coming with it. This is not a demonstration of amiga OS or Morphos or anything, it's just to show you that it does work pretty decently and everything with no problems. Okay, that's amiga OS. It's got the normal web browsers and media players, everything that's normally in amiga OS. It's pretty snappy too. Alright, let me reboot into Morphos. It does have a Voodoo 4 in it. Oh, whoops, pressed a button. You got a boot menu there, so you can hit 1 for Morphos or 2 for amiga OS 4.1. Morphos is registered 3. I think it's Morphos 3.5 or 351, something like that is what's on there right now. Let's see if you can see. 3.5. Sorry about the flicker. It is a 21-inch CRT that I use. But everything runs good on Morphos also. Actually runs a whole lot snappier on Morphos. But anyone who's looking at this probably already knows that it runs snappier normally. Let's see here. It does have 1 stick of memory in it. It's 512 megs. It has 2 hard drives in it. There is an 80 gig hard drive that for some reason only shows up in amiga OS 4.1. That I'm not exactly sure why. I think it's something to do with Morphos and the Pegasus II motherboard. But it's got an 80 gig hard drive, and then it's got a 13.6 gig hard drive. The 13.6 gig hard drive is Western Digital, and it has Morphos installed and amiga OS installed on it. Where is it? Here it is. View 4. And let me see here. System preferences. Display engine. All the normal stuff is selected that can be selected. Everything runs good. Anyways, alright. This will be on auction on eBay very, very shortly. Shut down.